In this video, we will take a look how to add some personalizable fields to your Shopify product page. So what are personalizable fields? Yeah, these can be two things. So first of all, these can be fields which your end customers can use to add some personalization instructions. But these can also be fields which you can personalize to display to your end customers. And we have the perfect solution for that. It's very easy to use, and I will show it to you in the following steps. So in the first step, the only thing you have to do is you have to open up our app Textbox by Textify. You can just click the button Create Field, and now you can decide if you just want to have a simple personalizable field which is a text box, or if you want to have more advanced personalizable fields like drop down swatches with price add-ons and so on. So let us right now just focus on the simple text box. I will click on that, and we will say in this case personalizable 1, and can now move on further. So we have now the opportunity to do our personalization from the merchant's point of view. We can decide how it should appear on the storefront. We can say this text box should be, this personalization field should be a single line or a multi-line field, if it should have a resizing functionality or not. We can decide what kind of heading we have here. So please add your personalization, right? That can be the heading. We want, okay, let's say maybe personalization instructions a little bit more, so we will keep it in a multi-line. We can say also here you can write your wishes. Yeah, that's how it could be. I think font size is nice. We can also say placeholder can be a little bit bigger. We can say what kind, okay, a little bit rounded corners would be also great for our personalization field. We can decide what kind of input is allowed. So for example, text and numbers, only text, only numbers, or just an email address. In my case, it's fine like it is. We want to show it in full width. Yeah, that's also very nice. Let us also make a little color adjustment. So I plan that my print will have a blue color at a later point, so I will now style also everything according to my blue color. We have also this nice hex color feature here. You can just first of all choose the color you want, and then you can just copy the hex code. You can move on. You can also say border color can be also blue. The text which is entered can be also blue. Let's also say we make the placeholder a little bit more intense like this, that we can really see it. And now we have more personalization opportunities. We can decide what is the maximum length we want to allow. We can also make the field required. We can also activate price add-ons, or we can activate the tooltip as well. Let's say the tooltip should also get the blue color, so we can just also put the hex code here. We can also decide what kind of messages should come and appear once something was entered. Or maybe let's say in this case, this is the message if text field is required and someone is not adding some text. It will say please enter a text before adding to cart. We can write whatever we want so that it will match according to our brand identity. We can also allow translations, but in my case I think it's fine like it is. So let us now decide where we want to show it. That's also very easy. We can show it, for example, on specific products, and for that we will just click the button here, these products, click on choose product, and now we will enter personalizable bracelet, because this is the product where we want to show it. And then the only thing we have to do is click the save button. Now our personalizable field is getting generated, so it's already here. You can also use multiple and put it on different kind of products. You see, that's what I did already here. And if we now go back to the product and refresh it, we can see that our personalization field will appear here. So that's really simple and really great. And there's also one more great thing what we can do. We can also go back to our app dashboard, click create fields, and go to the product options. And here you have different kind of personalization fields which you can choose from. It's Possible to choose just from a text field, drop down, checkbox, option list, buttons, swatches, description field, file upload, divider, switchers. So everything you can imagine, you can realize it here. Also can make different kind of configurations you want to show in different kind of personalizable products. Then you will just click save and apply it. And that's how easy it is to create and add a personalizable field to your Shopify product page.